Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for WhatsApp. For the first time, watch the video till the very end to learn how, and if you are not subscribed to Tech It Simple yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Since you'll be notified as soon as you post a new video to sign up to WhatsApp, first make sure you've downloaded WhatsApp on your device. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and download WhatsApp by typing WhatsApp on the search box. After you find the search result, simply tap on Download and download it on your device. After it is done, simply tap it open. This is how it will look like. Tap on Agree and continue to the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Now you'll need to register. Select your country from the drop-down list and choose your current and choose your country from the list. After you are done selecting, type in your phone number. Now tap on the Next button. After you are done to receive your verification code via SMS or a phone call, tap on the OK button, wait for the code to arrive. As soon as it does, you'll be automatically signed up to WhatsApp. Now you'll need to enter your profile information, that is your name. Simply type in your name. After you are done, you can upload a profile picture of your own by tapping on the camera button and select it from your gallery. After you find the picture you want to upload, simply set your profile picture to the size you want and tap on Done, which is located at the bottom right. As you can see, I've uploaded my profile picture. Now tap on the Next button and you have successfully signed up to WhatsApp. To start a chat, tap on the green button. The bottom's right, select any contact and enter the message in the text field. That is how you can sign up for WhatsApp on your Android device quickly and easily. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.